Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete without moving in Filmora, disable ripple deleting Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just make sure that you're currently in onto your Filmora app onto your device. Once you're already in, just import the media that you want to use. So you could click onto import media in here to browse under different files or simply drag and drop the images, videos, or audios that you want to use. Right after, to add that one here onto the timeline, simply click onto the plus icon to proceed. So as you can see, I have added this specific clip already in here, and I have added a split onto a part that I want to delete. So as you can see, to split this, just go ahead and hover the playhead onto the part wherein you want to go ahead and perform the split. Click onto the scissor icon to go ahead and split the clip. So I have this clip already, and I want to go ahead and remove this, but I don't want Filmora to move the clips. So as you can see, if we click the delete button here, as you can see, it automatically adjusted the clips. So it did combine the two clips. What if I don't want to go ahead and combine these two? So let's undo that one. And to do that, we'll just have to hover here onto the left side and disable the magnetic timeline. So if you click onto that, this shouldn't go ahead and move the two clips to one another. So if you click onto this clip again that you want to remove, and then click onto the delete button, as you can see, there is a hollow space here onto the middle part. And that is how easy you could delete without moving in Filmora. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.